Probably cut in the ground something they don't put it.
Nice. That'll work.
Yeah, we just need to remove that.
Get that thing out of the way. Nice.
Not bad
Kitchen.
for a rookie. Hey, you're gonna put it up here? All they're gonna see is gonna be my ass. Yeah.
Ricardo needs to show
We might monetize. Maybe if we get a lot of views, I'm gonna open an account, but not with the OnlyFans. It's gonna be OnlyFans.
Yeah, only.
It turned.
Film me just standing here trying to make a plan. Looking confused. Okay, battery's running low. I got to get it on the charge, but I wanted to update you a little bit. I'm working on sheet metal pattern using this foam board that I like to use to pattern out the tin work. This will be in 3 pieces. It's going to turn out pretty nice. So I'll get going on that. You saw Ricardo putting in the floor pans. I'm tripping over everything. I got so much crap. Look at that, it's a mess. Ricardo got the floor pans all cut out. Super nice. Unlike the other truck, we didn't have interior floor pans, so it's just the exposed tubing, and it kind of made for a pain in the butt where to place your feet and stuff, so this will be nice. That's pretty much it. Like, we got kind of a late start on it yesterday. He didn't come in today because he had other errands, so I was just tinkering around with this a little bit. So it's getting late in the day. I'm going to take a break, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Continue with this. Okay, welcome back. It's actually in the afternoon. I didn't make it out here this morning. We had quite a rainstorm come through last night, so kind of made it chilly out here. Anyway, just as I left off, we got the patterns all made. I'm going to transfer them over to the aluminum and then get them cut out, broke, holes punched, and work on the mounting of them in there. I'm just going to probably riv nut most of it, especially on the center console, and then I'll use the Zeus's up towards the front where the engine is, where we might have to get to stuff. I don't really have to worry about this being Zeused for like quick access, so to speak, because I made the little breaker box panel right there, and all the breakers and fuses will be underneath that lid right there. So if we need to get to them, we just open that up and we're good to go. Everything else is just wiring. So all right, get to it. finish the shot here. Turn the TV. Oh, I forgot that was in the part. That's good shit. Alright, let's see if I can do this without super screwing it up. Maybe? You guys might be in the way though. I'm gonna figure out a way to film this here. New pedal, I think. Okay. Is that a step? Is it working? Kinda? Am I doing this right? Yeah. What do you think? Maybe? I don't know, man. I can do good straight lines. Corners. You gotta go fast on the corners. Mess that one up. Huh? I mean, not too shabby. You know what I mean? I don't know what I'm doing. You know? I'm just kind of, maybe, is it too tight? It's kind of bowing it, which is fine, but okay, all right. Let's try this one. Oh, this one's bigger. I need a new pedal. It's kind of nerve-wracking. That's gonna push all that off. Gotta prepare better. Turn. Yes. Turn. Oh no. I'm off the line a little bit. Maintain it. I wonder if I'm too tight. I mean, it's not bad, right? Oh no. Oh wait. It was upside down. I thought I did it wrong. Okay, so now this one. Let me get you over here. This one will fit under that one, like that. There'll be a lip here that'll be for fasteners. I don't know if I'll do Zeus's or rib nuts, but this will go like that. See? Something like that. Yeah, this goes up. This will have a break in it, so it bends over a little. But that way this line here continues all the way across. Roughly. It's off a little bit. Ignore that. Okay, cool. Not bad, I guess. I wonder if it's bowing it. I wonder if too tight, not tight enough. Sweet. Okay, cool. Okay, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's raining like hell outside. It really sucks. I'm not a rain guy. Anyway, got the patterns all done. Got those rolled and thrown in here, and they fit pretty well right out of the gate. So make a few modifications, a few little trims here and there. I'm probably gonna roll this edge over, these two edges into each other, so it makes a little radius seam there. And then I think I'll rib nut across here. Maybe Zeus down there, I don't know, but it'll be rib nutted and screwed there, Zeus over there, and then rib nutted to the floor. But it should seal up pretty well once it all gets tightened up and everything. So, all right, turned out pretty good.